Folks, this is JW. We're running water lines for an addition, putting in the bathroom that they built on the side of their house. We got to run out that edge into the new addition. Already run the cold. Now I'm drilling the hole for the hot water line with the Milwaukee hammer drill M18. Ready for the water. I was telling my father I'm ready for the hot water line now. You can ring it, I know you can.
What?
I said you can ring it, I know you can.
Hey, Ronnie.
You missed. Alright, hold on.
Hey, Josh.
Yeah,
Did you go under the ductwork or over it?
under.
Good job.
I use my brain for something besides a hat rack, you know that. Alright, hold on, let me get over there so I can grab it. Alright. Well, folks, this is the fun part. Walking across the studs. Let's see if I can do it without falling through the roof. Feed me. Feed me. Hitting my head everywhere after I go. Hold on. Yeah. Alright, folks. We're pressing copper with a ProPress female and a PEX male adapter. Shut off valve across the roof to the addition. Now I gotta put you down and do a little work. Now time for the Milwaukee M18 Pro Press. And folks, there we have it. Hot and cold, connected to a water heater within the attic. Y'all have a great one.